Welcome to NeoEnglish, the podcast where we help you learn practical English for daily conversations and news discussions.
Yes, today we'll talk about an important news story, a delayed CDC report about bird flu, and its spread to people. We'll explain the story in simple English and teach you useful words and phrases.
Let's start with the main idea. A report from the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, or CDC, was published recently. It shows that some veterinarians who take care of cattle got infected with bird flu last year, but they didn't know it at the time.
Bird flu is a disease that mainly affects birds, but sometimes it spreads to humans. The worrying part is that the infection happened without the veterinarians realizing it. That means the virus could be spreading without symptoms.
That sounds scary. If someone is infected and doesn't know, they might keep going to work, meeting people, and spreading the virus without realizing it.
Yes, but health experts are watching closely. They want to understand how the virus spreads and how dangerous it is.
Now, let's look at some important words in this news story. First, we have veterinarian. A veterinarian, or vet, is an animal doctor.
That's right. If a pet dog is sick, the owner takes it to the vet. Or if a farmer has cows, the vet helps keep them healthy.
Another important word is influenza, commonly called flu. It's a disease that affects the nose, throat, and sometimes lungs. People may have fever, cough, or body aches.
Yes, influenza spreads easily through coughs and sneezes. For example, when you have the seasonal flu, you might stay home from work or school to avoid spreading it to others.
Another key phrase is scientific report. This means a formal document that shares research and discoveries.
Right. Scientists often write reports to explain their studies. For example, a climate change report might show how the Earth is getting warmer. Another example is a health report warning about smoking.
And don't forget unknowingly infected. This phrase means someone got a disease without noticing any symptoms.
Yes, if a person is unknowingly infected, they don't feel sick but still have the virus in their body. For example, if someone has COVID-19 without symptoms, they can still spread it. Another example is carrying a mild cold without realizing it.
Let's quickly summarize the key vocabulary.
That's all for today's episode. Keep practicing English, and we'll see you next time. Have a great day.